Alright guys, let's check out a pair of Audio Dynamics Pro Audio mids, 6.5s. Alright guys, so let's check out the Audio Dynamic 2000 series Pro Audio 6.5s. These are the PMW 620 S2 2000 series Pro Audio Audio Dynamic mids. And you drop the cardboard. Here we go with a nice paper cone folded surround. Let's see if we can get that one out of there. Standard issue blade terminals. That's a heck of a magnet. Got an 1.5-inch voice coil. Nice tough spider. Pretty cool. So we have a 6.5-inch stamp basket, 35-ounce magnet, 1.5-inch voice coil, poly cotton spider, paper cone with cloth edge, 150 watts RMS, and then of course 150 watts is with a crossover point of 110 hertz at 24 dB roll off, 130 at 18, or 150 at 12 dB roll off. I like the way they classify their power ratings because it's specific to where you have the crossovers at, and they do this with all of their drivers. It's really cool. And there's your dimensions for the driver. So now you know about the driver. I'm going to put them in the Tahoe and give them the beans.
The big subwoofers, big amps, big wires, big shiny rims, setting in fat tires, rolling so hard and dropping the beats, bringing the bass to Missouri streets. I'm an enthusiast, doing car audio, gotta get it right so the sounds can flow. Cutting the corners, saving the dough, riding it high at the local car show. Yeah, CAE is on the mic, CAE is on the mic, dropping the knowledge, fixing your ride. Be sure to hit the button, smash subscribe. I'm bringing deals, sonic reviews, keeping the pace with car audio news. Make your system sound like a concert, saving you money by doing the work. Tweet is a tweet, riding your face up, subs in a back, cold dropping the bass. The powerful full drums from side to side, kicking the beats in my crazy ride. Yeah, CAE is on the mic, 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 dropping the knowledge, fixing your ride. Be sure to hit the button, smash subscribe. I'm bringing deals and sonic reviews, keeping the pace with car audio news. Make your system sound like a concert, saving you money by doing the work. Tweet is a tweet, riding your face up, subs in the back, cold dropping the bass. The powerful full drums from side to side, kicking the beats in my crazy ride. Yeah, CAE is on the mic, CAE is on the mic.
Well, after getting them in and listening to them, I did have to do some EQing on them. Quite a bit of EQing on them. They got a strong 1 to 2K punch. But I did manage to get them sounding good. And right now, these are also Audio Dynamics here. That's the 3000 series 3s. These are the Memphis M series tweeters. I've got a set of AD tweeters. I may be putting those in. And then aside from the sub underneath here, down under there, the whole front stage will be AD. Yeah, overall, I'm impressed with Audio Dynamics. Their product has always been well packaged and well labeled. They have plenty of information about all the equipment. It's easy to make a selection. Whenever you go to their website, you can see all the specs of everything. And I like being able to be informed and buy based on specs, not based on brand. And of course, I keep saying Audio Dynamics because, well, that particular brand gives you all the specs, and the prices are very reasonable. So yes, I would absolutely recommend the Audio Dynamics 2000 series 6.5 inch mid. Just be prepared to do some EQing because they are a little happy in the 1 to 2K range. You're probably going to want to take that down just a little bit, but to everyone has different taste, and so that may work out fine for you. Peace out, guys.